Hello everybody! So, I'm going to unbox my gift to myself. Yes, because no one is giving me gifts. Sino pa naman magbibigay sa'yo ng gift kundi sarili mo lang, yourself, right? So, this is from Skechers. Skechers, baka naman soon ikaw na ang you give me something, Charis. So, this is from Skechers and it's my gift to myself. I'm vlogging this to have a memory of para may memory lang, hirap mag-English, so that I can remember that I bought this to myself at sana tumagal ka, girl kasi babae siya. So it's Skechers. Hindi ako pala hilig sa mga rubber shoes. I'm not fond of buying rubber shoes before, but right now it's starting to get interesting. Gusto ko na siya, girl. Ewan ko. Kasi feeling ko pero but I'm focusing on the comfort, girl. Comfort of my foot, syempre. The size is kasi gusto ko may space ang aking paa. 8.5 siya, girl. 8.5. So let's unbox it. Dami ko sinasabi. I bought this at St. Vital and this is the price tag. The cost is $99.99 plus tax pa ito, girl. So naging $111.99. So convert nyo na lang sakali. Excited. Syempre nakita ko na to. Ay, madumi. Nakita ko na to kanina but I'm still sharing this to you guys. Because this is the fruit of my labor. Yes. This is actually the third one that I bought. Yung dalawa hindi ko binablog kasi pang work lang yun. Ito yung pinakamahal so far. Kasi ayaw kong bumibili ng mahal, guys. I don't wanna buy stuff that are so expensive na hindi ko magagamit. Are you ready? Kita nyo na siya. Ganda. See? It looks so good. Skechers, baka naman. Susunod, bigyan na. Look at that. Look at that. The perfection. Isa lang, syempre, nakita. Parehas din naman niya. Pakita ko naman muna isa. So, look at the details, guys. There is the logo of Skechers. Skechers, baka naman. Here. S. And there's also Skechers dyan na lettering, whatever. And my S. Yes. And what I really love about this, hindi lang yung may S siya, is ito, guys. Itong glitters na to. This glitters. As a girly person, you wanna have shoes that are glittery. Yeah. May glitters. Puno ng kaikaikan. And look at the details, guys. Look at this one. Ibakpam ko. So, look at the details, guys. There is glitters there. And itong mga glitters dyan, wag mong pansinin yung nasa table ko na makalat. Ayan, no. Look at that. So perfect, diba? So maganda siya, girl. Tingnan mo naman, oh. Oh. Kabog ka, girl. Oh. Tapos ito, guys, nakalagay doon for walking lang siya. Pero, syempre naman, magagamit din natin to sa running. Ayan. Diba, guys? Ito ang pinakamaganda kong nabili so far. Yung dalawa, it looks okay naman pero madaling masira kasi medyo mas mura siya. Like 70 plus yung isa, 60 plus ata. Mas mura yun, or 80 plus yung isa. Mas mura yun pero madali siyang nasisira, girl. Ito, feeling ko magtatagal ka. Tignan nyo yung loob. This is the inside of it. It's black. I want black and white kasi it goes, it can be matched with anything, with your clothes, kahit anong kulay, girl, it's okay, diba? Aside from this, meron po siyang libreng freebie, girl. Yung effect na tatanggal na, pumapangit na tayo, Charis. So, ito ang guys, meron siyang libreng shoelace na black. So, kung trip mo mag-shoelace ng black, mo lang siya, you will just replace it. So, 8.5 yung ko, and wide siya dito kasi malaki yung dito ko, guys. Yung toes ko, malalaki. So, ayan, girl. Ano ito, girl? Madumi na agad, Charis. So, ayan siya. Ako siya nadudumihan. Kasi hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. So, look at that thing, ha? Tignan mo naman iyan, girl. Amazing, di ba? Yan lang. Thank you for watching. I will rate these shoes 10 out of 10 dahil gustong-gusto ko siya. So, girly. It's giving girly. It's giving beanie vibes and everything. Skechers baka naman. Thank you.